Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell and welcome to my kitchen. Asparagus is bang in season right now. So I've got a beautiful warm salad of potato, asparagus and melted brie. Now, first thing you need to do if you're going to make this is get your potatoes on to cook in salted boiling water. I've just cut them into little chunks, okay? So they will take 15 minutes to cook. Now, asparagus. There's a few tips for this, okay? So at the end here, it's quite woody and stalky. So to find out at what point it's tender is very simple. That is all you need to do. Wherever it snaps is where it is tender, okay? So you don't need to worry about it. All you need to do is just that. So use these for our salads, okay? And then with these, cook them with some onion, some stock, a little bit of cream or creme fraiche or whatever you've got, and make a delicious soup or an amazing parmesan and asparagus risotto. Put those in right at the start, cook them with the onions and the rice to be delicious. Okay, so when the potatoes have had 15 minutes, drop the asparagus in and cook it for 5 more minutes. When they're cooked, drain them, put them back in the pan and let them sit for a couple of minutes together while you get the rest of the salad. So to make the salad, it's really nice and simple. Take a shallot or a red onion or whatever you've got, shred it really, really finely, okay? As thinly as you possibly can, just put it to one side. Now for my salad, I'm using a Maxwell Williams big serving plate. I absolutely love this plate. It's just social eating at its best, with the family all around the table, everyone tucks in. It's the best way to eat. First thing we're gonna do, big drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, squeeze of lemon juice. That's going to become our salad dressing, okay? Add your shallots, spread them out into the oil. Then take your new potatoes and your asparagus that are now cooked and just pour them straight onto the plate and just let them mop up all that lovely olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon juice. While it's warm, it will just go and just suck up all those flavours. So absolutely do it then. Take the camembert or brie or whatever you've got and just chop it into cubes. Chop it one way, then chop it another way, and then just sprinkle it over the top of the salad and let the warmth of the potatoes and the asparagus just start to melt it a little bit. Then add another squeeze of lemon juice because I just love that on my salads. And then a sprinkling of leaves. So if you bought a bag of salad leaves, just sprinkle a handful over the top just to lighten the whole thing up. And that is it. That is how to make my potato, brie and asparagus warm salad. If you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you can find it there.